as I watch you move across the moonlit room. There's so much tenderness in your loving. Tomorrow I must leave. The dawn knows no reprieve. God give me strength when I am leaving. So raise your hands to heaven and pray that we'll be back together someday. And tonight I need your sweet caress. Hold me in the darkness. Tonight become my restlessness. You relieve my sadness.